Happy Monday! Can you believe it is our last week of class? Wow! I have had so much fun with you guys this year. I hope you've enjoyed the videos, and I'm going to miss you all so much. So I want to make this week as much fun as possible. So I hope you have a lot of fun this week. We are going to keep doing our normal stuff for reading, but math will be the card games for fun, and writing will be our memory book. So it should be a pretty fun week for you. All right, let's review our sight words from last week. See if you remember them. Try to say the word and do the action. Father. And our action was whatever your father does. So smiles at you, pats you on the back, maybe gives you a back massage. That'd be awesome. All right, next word. What's the word? Mother. I love to hug my mother. That's my action for her. Ah, there's no word. There we go. What's the word? Never. Something you should not ever do. Never. Never jump into a volcano. Not a smart life choice. And our last word? Below. If you're under something, you are below it. All right. Last week we were working on sounds, different ways that we could spell the sound ah, like jaw. It's a good way to help remember it. Your jaw helps you say ah. Okay? So we had our AW, our AU, and our AL that we focused on the most. So let's do a quick review. Read the words with me. Remember, this says ah. K, o, ah. Claw. K, ah, t. GHT says t. K, ah, t. Cot. Salt. Salt. And vault. Vault. That place where they put all the money and expensive things so the robbers can't steal it. All right. I'm going to write some words. We're going to blend them and read them together. So let's do, and this is all a review from last week. What would make our ah sound? Do we see an A-L, A-U, or A-W? A-W, so that's going to say ah. Let's read it. D-er-ah. Draw. Draw. If you draw something. Let's try another one. Do we see A-L, A-U, or A-W? A-U. So that says ah. H-ah-l. Haul. Haul is when you usually say it's something heavy. You haul it from one place to the other. Haul. Let's practice some more. Where's our ah gonna be? A-U. Let's read this one. Fault. 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 So if it's your fault, that means it's your fault that something happened. It can be my fault that I knocked over something. Maybe the dog's fault if they got our floors all wet because they were playing in the water. Definitely their fault. All right, let's practice a couple more so that we can remember everything from last week. Let's see, let's just do some trickier ones. Where's our ah gonna be? A-U. Let's sound it out. T, ah, t. GHT says t. T-aught. Taught. Hopefully I have taught you a lot this year. All right, and let's do one more. I think we already did this one, but we'll go ahead and practice. Where's our ah gonna be? Ah, ah. A-U. K, ah, t. Caught. Caught the ball. All right, now we're gonna do word mix up, so grab a paper and something to write with. All right, you should have a paper and something to write with. If you don't, pause the video and get it. All right, our first word we're gonna write is tall. T-a-l. Tall. All right, you should have this written in 3, 2, 1. Tall. T-A-L-L. And it's the A-L that says ah. All right, now underneath this, we're gonna still use the A-L and we're gonna write stall, like the bathroom stall. Or if you go to like a farmer's market, they have different stalls that sell different things, like different vegetables or breads. So change tall. We can change this really easily. Can you change tall to small? No, tall to stall. All we do is add an S. Stall. Stall. Okay, and the last one we're going to change stall to small. Can you change stall to small? You can rewrite it or you can erase and change the st to a sm. Small. Small. All right, let's do some more. Now we're going to use a W for aw. Okay, first one we're going to do is your jaw. Jaw. Think of how to spell it. I'm going to show in 3, 2, 1. Jaw. Jaw. Your jaw right here. Jawbone. All right, now change jaw into saw. I saw a bird out my window. Saw. And you can erase or you can write the new word under. 3, 2, 1. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. I saw a bird out my window. And the last one we're going to do is change saw into straw. I have an example. I have a purple straw for my drink. So change saw into straw. Ah. So we keep our same A-W for aw. I'm trying to pull up something. Here we go. Aw. S-T-R-A-W. Straw. All right. Let's do one more. We're going to do, this is a big word. We're going to use A-U to help us write the word launch, like when a rocket launches. So let's think of the sounds. O, aw, ch. O, aw, ch. Launch. That's a big word. We're going to spell these big words in first grade. Launch. Launch. All right. You should have the word in about 3, 2, 1. Launch. L-A-U-N-C-H. Launch. All right. Now we're going to change launch into haunch. Haunch. Can you think of how to change it? Launch into haunch. Look. All we do is make the L into an H. Now it's haunch. Haunch. This is what usually you would say when a dog sits back on its paws. You would say it sits on its haunches. That's what you would say. All right. Now we're going to change haunch into haunt. Haunt. Haunt is like when you're trying to freak someone out and be scary. Haunt. Haunt, haunt, haunt. What would you change? You would just change the ending. Haunt. Ha-aw-n-t. Haunt. All right. That is all for our phonics. Now you are going to do a sight word match, a phonics match, and for benchmark, you're going to go to the one that says, choose one to read, and it will have 2 stories that you can choose from. You can choose to read A Walk in the Woods. So if you want to learn about going in the woods and all the things you might see there, read this story. And you're looking for the aw sounds like walk. So if you choose this story, make sure you still find the aw sounds. Walk, stand still, don't talk, walk and talk. Or you can read about the shell that crawled. So this one is about the beach. So you can choose if you want to read a story about the woods and the things you would find there, or the beach. And remember, your assignment is just going to say choose one to read. But no matter which one you choose, make sure you read it twice. Click on the words. August. Click on the words you don't know and find all the aw sounds you can. Tess was happy because she liked picnics at the beach. Ooh, look right there. August. A-U for August. All right. So go ahead and go get on benchmark and choose either the woods story or a beach story. And then I'll see you again for math.